I'm so glad that Samsung finally added this feature, which is the ability to record straight to external storage right from the phone. It's so useful. Now, you do have to download the Camera Assistant app, which is free and is available in the Galaxy Store. It gives you a bunch of extra sort of features that you can do with your camera outside of the ones that are built in. Now, when you have this installed, go ahead and open it up and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see an option there that says save videos to external storage. This will automatically happen when you have USB-C storage plugged into your phone. It's pretty cool and it's pretty easy to sort of use. You see I kind of hooked it up right here, and you basically hit record and you'll start seeing some activity right on the device that lets you know that it's recording over to the external storage. And you'll see at the top there where it's telling you how much time that you have. You notice that it says unlimited. Basically, you at the limit of what you want to record and how long you want to record. So if you want to record that 8K 30 log video to get that ultimate documentary right off your phone, the highest quality possible, you can do it now and record it right to external storage. And now it makes it a lot easier to plug into your computer to be able to just immediately start editing right within a professional editor, whatever else you want to do. You want to do some color grading. It makes the whole process so much easier that they finally added this feature. I know it works with the S25 because I've been testing with that, but I believe it will work with other phones. You'll have to verify that for me by, if you have a Galaxy and you have the right version of One UI, go ahead and download it, try to plug in external storage and see what happens. But I like the fact that I can basically take a long USB-C cable, put the SD storage in my pocket, and be able to walk around and record unlimited forever how long I want to without any problems, then easily plug it into my computer, get to editing right away, and do whatever I need to do, share it, whatever it needs to be done. Definitely try this out, folks, and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching.